Hi guys, I just got the parcel and this is spy Wi-Fi mini camera. You can say action also, actually technically is mini camera 003. Ehomful is the company and this is mini camera, contain magnetic mini camera. Let's open and look like very nice packing actually. You can see here. Let's open it and see what's inside. And they give a micro SD together to me, but I'm not sure about is contained in the box. I'm pretty sure is without, if you buy it, is without micro SD card, but I just get it because it's for make a review and look like very nice design. So here's the magnetic stand, I think. So you can stick the camera, you can see behind is magnet, so you can stick anywhere is a metal, and it can be your action camera, spy camera, mini GoPro, or hidden camera, security camera. You can use a different way. You can see this stick very well, and the quality is a very nice, a little bit bulk heavy. The metal is look like very, and you can stick with the double tape like this angle or any kind of angle. And if you don't use that stand also, you can stick anywhere. Let's open inside and see what's just standard accessory. Micro USB reader, USB reader card. I think this is a strap. I think that is charging cable, and this is a card reader, micro SD. You can put inside and you can just connect with computer, and this is the pin for reset in case. This is a brochure manual. You can see, that's all. So I think this is a good company, and I will make footage also. There's some quick detail, you can read it if you want it, what's inside, what is the specification. I just want to show quickly. You can read front and back side. Here it is. So SD card is not included with accessory, as you can see. Others you can read everything. So let's see, let's open it. So here is the SD card reader. Behind is two buttons. You can turn it on and standby mode. Let's turn on. Now this is turn on mode. Okay, so start record, and the footage I will show you in the last of the video. I will show you exactly the footage, the basic function. You can read the manual what kind of functions it has all, but I think it's quite nice.